When I think about the life that I've lived so far, I have to say that I am pretty content. My health is good. My friends are loyal. My daughter, Audrey, she's strong and smart. Yep, I'm pretty content. Little signs. I've been single most of my life. I invested in Audrey when she was growing up, and that investment started to pay off when she went to college. And that was the moment that I decided to take back my life. I started traveling and socializing more and really enjoying my freedom and my independence and getting reacquainted with the person that I had put on hold for so long. But then I did something that messed it all up. I got married. I'll share this with you. When I was a kid, probably just like a lot of other kids, I would daydream about what my life would be like as an adult. I would think about what city I would live in and what kind of house I would have and how many children I would have. Interestingly, though, I never daydreamed about being married or about what it would be like to have a husband. I just didn't think about it. It wasn't on my mind. Little signs. Anyway, I knew this guy from church and we started talking, and after a while we were really starting to dig each other. Now I know I'm dating myself when I say dig, but eventually like became love. And when he brought up the topic of marriage, it sounded to me like a logical next step. He wanted to share his life with me. I wanted to share my life with him. His kids were grown. My kid was grown. And we were mature. So I didn't really concern myself with the silly things that younger couples go through. This could be a good thing. I am talking next level contentment. So we got married. And in less than 5 years, we separated. Our union was ill-fated for many reasons, but mostly because I ignored tons and tons of little signs. So now I'm pretty content again, and I may even marry again. But this time, in finding my soulmate, I won't lose my soul because I've learned to pay attention to the little signs. Thank you.